So today we have Nokia Lumia 530 and we will change its sensor. I decided to make this video because many people who repair this phone watch price lists on websites and think that this phone has a model glued on an optical adhesive. But this is not true and I will show you this. Unscrew all screws, remove back cover. There is no clips here, it just falls in two parts. Unplug display and sensor connectors and remove board. Then hit model on separator and begin to separate it from body. It is glued not very tight and can be removed quite easily. So we removed model. Now lift up sensor cable and unsolder or cut it off so it will not interfere. Now let's separate. It's glued with adhesive tape along the perimeter, but I still use wire because it's faster and more convenient. Now adhesive tape is cut off and there is no optical glue, as you can see. Check the display, it certainly works. Take new sensor, bend cable like this and solder it. Double-sided adhesive tape is already pasted on the sensor. Soldering is feeder sheet. Check performance and presence of dead zones on sensor. Remove protecting tape and stick display. Don't press it hard, so you will be able to correct it when installing into the body. Now sensor is glued, put the board back. The process of assembling is easy, just put the board, attach connectors and screw in all screws. The phone is ready and as you understand from this video it's pretty simple replacement without special difficulties. Thanks everyone, watch my videos, goodbye.